Hey, what's going on everyone, and welcome to the video. Nick Corona here, and today we're going to talk about the Mavic 2 Zoom versus the Pro. I recently had a good week and a half with both of them, flying them both back to back, and I'll tell you right off the bat, they're both great drones. You're not necessarily going to make a wrong decision, but one of them might be better for you. And today I'm just going to talk about some of the differences, and I have a real cool video montage I put together so you can really see what I'm talking about side by side. In my honest opinion, I do think there is something slightly more cinematic about the Pro. I don't know if it's some sort of gloss or just the colors. You'll see in this footage, something about the colors in the footage look a little bit more appealing to me than the Zoom 2. But in my opinion, it's not a big enough of a difference to justify not being able to zoom. Because when you zoom, it creates a whole nother look. Like, not only when you're scouting, being able to, zoom in on your target, being able to stay a safe distance away from people, but when you fully zoom into your subject, it just creates such a strong effect that it makes your camera overall look way better. So, to me, that's another factor to consider is how does this look all the way zoomed in versus the Hasselblad when it's not zoomed in, and that's where I like this more. I like the 2 more. I feel like I have more versatility. I feel like I'm never gonna miss a shot. I like shooting wildlife if I see it, and it helps to be further away to not scare the animal away. There's a lot of reasons, but overall I think I'm gonna recommend the Zoom to most people unless you really specifically need that Pro. Like, you are only shooting at nighttime, or you are shooting a movie where you need that wide angle and you're not gonna be zooming in at all. I don't know. And also keep in mind, guys, you can change this camera out. Like, in 15 or 20 minutes you can detach it and you can just put on the Pro camera and it just works. There's not a whole lot you have to do. It's plug and play. So keep that in mind too. So thank you guys so much for tuning in, and check out this video. Let me know what you guys think. What one would you choose and why? I hope this helps with your buying experience. Everyone fly safe and enjoy. So on top of the drone footage, you will notice I included some basement shots from where I grew up, and to kind of give you guys a little background of my history. And clearly I've been flying radio controlled stuff my whole life. I grew up around it. I've been around drones literally since they started coming out, and even before then, boats, cars, planes, all that. So I am coming from a little bit of experience. Overall, I hope this video really helps you decide which drone is right for you. And honestly, if you're getting a DJI drone at all, you can't go wrong with it. Superior quality, they fly amazing, and they have phenomenal resale value. The only other drone I've even considered is the Skydio. Let me know if you guys have tried that, the Skydio 2. I have a really hard time tracking myself with the DJI drones, and especially while I'm riding my motorcycle. If I could just have a fob on me that made it track to me, that would clearly work so much better. So thank you all so much for watching. Please let me know what you think below. Please go ahead and subscribe if you made it this far. And if you're a drone pilot, safe flying to you. And if you're gonna purchase a drone, safe flying to you as well. Till next time, thank you for talking drones with Nick Corona. Peace.